Excellent supplier recommendation in China. Recommended company. Atom Electronic Technology Company Ltd, started in 2004, which is located in Chang'an of Dongguan City, China. Combined Estafsira rich experiences in electronics industry, which occupies more than 7,000 square meters. We are the manufacturer of cables and connectors and adapters for aerospace, military, medical, industrial, automotive, and communications, consumer. Our mission is to build world-famous brand. We will provide you with the highest quality product, with the best service available, at the lowest possible price.